Hey everyone, happy Tuesday.
Good morning.
All right. Plugging along through our week. Let's go ahead and share a few things. Today is not this screen. Tuesday, May -3 plus 5 parentheses 3, or 15 plus -3 is May 12th. It is National Limerick Day. So here's a math limerick for you. There was an old man who said, "Do tell me how I'm to add 2 and 2. I'm not very sure that it does not make 4, but I fear that it's almost too few." So a limerick, if you don't know what it is, the first, second, and fifth line rhyme, the last word, and the third and fourth line are supposed to rhyme. So feel free to make a limerick, send it to your ELA teacher. They'll be happy to see it. All right. Today's activity is a Desmos activity, so make sure that you sign into the correct class for that. And it is working on solving inequalities. So I just want to go over this quickly with you. Remember, when you solve an inequality, you first solve it like it is a equation. And for example, this one, you would add 4 to both sides, which would give you -6 plus 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and you would get x equals -3. To figure out which way your inequality sign goes, remember, you then substitute in a number bigger and smaller than -3. So for example, if I chose 0, that would be bigger. 2 times 0 would be 0. -4 is -4. -10 is not greater than -4. If I plugged in, let's say, -5, 2 times -5 would be -10. -4 would be 14. That didn't work either.
Yeah, -10 is greater than -14.
Oh yeah, -10 is greater than -14. Yep, so that would work. So then your inequality sign would be x would be less than -3. And then that is what you would have to match on the number line. So there's some that look like this that you have to graph. And then there's some that just give you simpler ones to graph, but you have to match them to the graphs. So I just wanted to quickly go over that with you.
Well, you end up with, you're matching you end up with 3 cards together.
Yes. So if you look at it, it would look something like this if I screen share again.
So it's the Desmos is matching cards, and it says if you read the directions carefully, it even tells you in the beginning how many cards you should have together. So there's 9 cards, and there should be 3 groups when you're done.
So if you look at it, there is an equation, then you have to solve it, and let's say this ends up, so this would match it. And then let's say this was the graph. So you'll have the inequality, the solution, and then the number line. Not saying this one's correct though. And then there's another matching one. This time you have to read a problem and match it to the inequalities. And then that's it. So it's pretty short. All right.
All right. Well, we're excited to make tomorrow's video. We have a special surprise for you guys, so tune in tomorrow.
You should be pretty excited. I know we are. All right. See you guys later. Good luck.
Have a good day.
If you have any questions, keep up the good work. Bye.